Hi guys. So I'll admit that one of my failings as a human being is that my desire to have a clean house doesn't always win out against my desire to be lazy. But I really like having a clean house. I read somewhere that 10 minutes is only slightly more than 1/2 of 1% of your entire day. So I decided I can dedicate that much to cleaning. Let's see what I can get done in 10 minutes.
Three, two, one.
Well, I think we can agree that for what counts as slightly more than 1/2 of 1% of my day, it's probably worth a little bit of cleaning.